Appleton with a look at the housing market. Over the last month, with interest rates climbing, fewer people are wanting to buy. Olivia Acree spoke with experts to find out what the hike in rates is actually doing to the housing market.
Mortgage rates have jumped back above 7% after dropping last week. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is averaged at 7.08% this week after being at 6.95% last week. And a year ago at this time, it was averaged at 2.98%. I talked to the mortgage nerds to hear how this is affecting the housing market of Northeast Wisconsin.
When rates first started climbing, it wasn't quite as drastic. But now the compounding where they're continuing to rise at that higher pace is we're seeing more and more people starting to drop back.
Interest rates are going up to get inflation under control and buyers are slowing down. But according to realtor Amanda Furman, maybe they shouldn't.
What you're seeing on the national news is not what is happening in Northeast Wisconsin and truly throughout the Midwest.
According to Amanda, not as much is changing in the housing market in this area.
So there's definitely been some adjustment that has happened with the rising interest rates, but we still have this extremely strong market.
I asked the mortgage nerds what they thought about the buyer slowdown. Interest rates are higher right now. When do you think the best time to buy a house is?
The answer to that question is always now. If you prepared to buy a home or you budgeted for it, your credit's good enough to buy a home, you have what's needed to get the financing, now is the best time. It always is. Because even if rates are higher right now, they're not going to be higher forever.
Although it might not seem that way, the experts say the hike in rates could work in buyers' favor.
With people pulling back, if you're still in the market, now you don't have the competition that you had, right? There are more and more price drops coming.
So for those still looking to buy, the experts say the market has cooled down just enough to find your home. In Appleton, Olivia Acree, NBC 26.